Hawker 850XPI. Flash cards. Altitudes. Wind components. Electrical. Engines. Maximum permissible altitude for flight.
41,000 feet.
Maximum altitude for takeoff or landing.
9,000 feet if not cabin high datum equipped. 13,000 feet if cabin high datum equipped.
Minimum altitude for takeoff or landing.
Minus 2,000 feet.
Maximum tailwind for takeoff or landing.
10 knots.
Maximum demonstrated crosswind for takeoff or landing.
30 knots.
Minimum battery temperature at takeoff.
Minus 10 degrees Celsius, nickel-cadmium batteries.
Maximum battery charge at takeoff.
20 amps.
Maximum generator load.
300 amps.
Engine starter operating time.
30 seconds on, maximum. 1 minute cooling after first and second attempt. 30 minutes cooling minimum after third attempt.
When icing conditions do not exist, the engine inlet anti-icing should not be used for more than seconds at temperatures above degrees Celsius.
When icing conditions do not exist, the engine inlet anti-icing should not be used for more than 10 seconds at temperatures above 10 degrees Celsius.
Maximum ITT for normal takeoff, starting, relight.
978 degrees Celsius.
Maximum ITT for takeoff with APU operating.
996 degrees Celsius.
Maximum continuous ITT.
968 degrees Celsius. This is the end of video number 8. Flashcards. Altitudes. Wind components. Electrical. Engines.